Dealing with pop-up ads on a Windows PC can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to minimize or eliminate them. Here's a step-by-step guide to enable the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome web browser. Open Google Chrome. Click on the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the window. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Toggle the switch to turn on the blocker. It should turn blue when enabled. After enabling the pop-up blocker in your preferred browser, it should start preventing most pop-ups from appearing while you browse the internet. If you encounter any specific issues or have a different browser, let me know.